Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new tutorials on Shopify, Webflow, and automation tools to level up your e-commerce business. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store with Webflow using the Loop app. This process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to each step to ensure everything integrates smoothly. Before we get started, make sure you have active Shopify and Webflow accounts, and that you're logged into both in your browser. It's also a good idea to have your store name and Webflow project ready, since we'll be connecting them shortly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. This is the hub where you'll manage your store, and you'll find all the relevant controls here. Once you're on your Shopify homepage, look towards the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This will open up a menu where you manage a variety of store details, from payment options to shipping methods. After you're in the Settings menu, the next place you want to go is the Apps and Sales Channels section. This part of the dashboard allows you to manage apps that can enhance your store's features and connect other platforms. If you already have other integrations, like email marketing or inventory systems, you'll see them listed here as well. Once there, look for the Shopify App Store option and click on it. This is where you'll be able to explore new apps and add-ons to enhance your e-commerce capabilities. The App Store is a great place to find tools that can improve your store's marketing, analytics, and design, so it's worth exploring beyond this tutorial too. In the Shopify App Store, we are specifically looking for the Loop app. So, use the search bar at the top and type in Loop. The search results will bring up Loop, built with Webflow. This app is what we'll use to bridge your Shopify store with your Webflow site seamlessly. When you see Loop in the results, click on it to get more details. Now that you've found Loop, the next step is to install it. On the apps page, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click it. Installing Loop is crucial because it allows your Shopify store's data and connectivity to work with Webflow, helping you create a coherent, unified digital experience for your customers. Before you proceed, double-check that you have admin permissions on both Shopify and Webflow. Without these permissions, the integration may fail during the connection process. The final step, once Loop is installed, is probably the most critical. You'll need to click on Connect with Webflow. This step opens up a connection between the two platforms, allowing for real-time data syncing and integration of your designs with your store's backend functionalities. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. You may be asked to authorize Webflow's API access. This simply lets Shopify send and receive data securely through Loop. Now, with Loop successfully installed and linked to Webflow, you should be all set up. This integration brings together Shopify's robust e-commerce capabilities with Webflow's design flexibility, allowing you to create stunning, custom online storefronts with ease. With Loop, you can sync products, inventory, and pricing between Shopify and your Webflow site automatically, meaning no more manual updates every time you add new products. Remember, if at any step you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Shopify support or refer to the help sections in both the Shopify and Webflow platforms. Both provide detailed troubleshooting guides and responsive support teams to help you resolve setup challenges. Keep exploring the functionalities that this powerful integration unlocks, from customized front-end designs to automated inventory updates, for more efficient store management and a better customer experience. And once your site is live, don't forget to test a few sample orders to ensure that your data syncs correctly between both platforms. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Shopify and Webflow. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on e-commerce tools and integrations.